Hey guys, it's Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. Welcome back to my channel. So, me and my friend Milena went for a shopping trip because she needed some Halloween stuff. And so we went to Michael's and I found these papers. I know I missed out on the $5 one, but this is buy one, get two for free. So I thought it's a good enough deal because I wasn't able to make it to the $5 one. So I got this one, the spiced pumpkin paper. I got the Christmas plaid one, and I'm so excited about the farmhouse paper. So I'm gonna go through it just a little bit. Also wanted to show you this one from Target. Super cute stuff. I'll show you what I did with those, but I want to go through some of the papers just in case you're interested and you want to go to your local Michael's. So these are very cute. I have intentions of joining a challenge that was initiated by Beth, and it's called the hashtag Fall Paper Pad Unite challenge. So it was initiated by Beth and Leah. So Beth, if you want to follow her, she is from Bourbon Creek Crafts, and Leah is Ode to Paper here on YouTube. So the object is to be able to show what you have been doing with your paper pad, specifically fall paper pads. It's like a no paper left behind challenge, but this one, you don't have to finish all of it, but just show your friends what you've done with the paper collection. It's more kind of show and tell. But I thought this would be so cute. I want to start a new one. I'm still working on my no paper left behind, so I'm gonna be uploading a video about that in a few days. But I thought these are super gorgeous, very inspiring, and this, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Super cute. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, unconventional with the blue. But I thought these are so cute. You know, woodland creatures are so in right now. I love that. How cute. I can cut these apart to make my own ephemera if I have the time. So that one. So that is your spiced pumpkin that you can find at Michael's. This one is a Christmas plaid. I thought this would be perfect for December daily. I love buffalo plaid. I have been into that since last Christmas. And yes, there's some plaid sheets that I'm not into, but some of them are super cute. So yes, I decided to give it a go. This is super cute. It doesn't have to be Christmas, but it's super cute. Some of them are okay. Some of them are amazing. But they would be so amazing for December daily. Of course. Buffalo print. Then that one looks like a shirt. Looks like my grandpa's shirt. This looks like a couch, a napkin, or a curtain from your grandma's kitchen. But they look so cute, and I thought it would be perfect. And then this one is the last one, which is farmhouse mason. I don't know how to say it, but farmhouse. Look at the beautiful papers, you guys. If you want to join the challenge, there's 2 challenges that I am going through right now. The one is the fall paper pads unite, and the other one is no paper left behind. So just look it up on YouTube. This is probably my favorite. I'm thinking stamping this with VersaFine, embossing it in white, and then putting sentiments, or you can do anything with this paper. I wish they had 6 of this in this pad. Anyway, so I was saying, so No Paper Left Behind by Daniella, and Fall Paper Pads Unite by Beth and Leah. I will put the names of their channels down below. if you didn't catch that, just so you can follow them. They are amazing. These ladies are so inspiring when it comes to inspiring us on using our stash. So that inspires me, and definitely, you know, I will cut this. I'm so excited. Love that. So always I plan to make some mini albums, 3 travelers journals, and a lot of embellishments, a lot of treat bags, and some cards too for the leftovers. Are these so cute? Look at the gold foiling on this one, guys. I think this is such a good buy, and the paper is thick, you know. And I think this is the last one, which is still super, super pretty. I think it's super pretty. Anyways, so I just want to let you guys know that for this Fall Paper Pads Unite, I will be using this, and potentially will be using some of these that I got from Target. So this is on sale at Target right now. I think it matches. Aren't they so cute? I think it matches a little bit. So yes, that's the plan, is to be able to do that and see what projects. Anyway, I was able to use those stickers. I think it's $4.99 for 260 pieces of them. So this one I was intending to... So I made these. I'll do a tutorial next time for it. It's supposed to look like a mini book, like a small book, but it's just a box inside, and then you can put your, you know, your words, or, you know, what your dedication to the person you're giving it to. And then when you open it, it has, I put white chocolate, like pumpkin flavored white chocolate from M&M, and then coffee. So I was gonna give it to like people I recognize at work that are doing an exceptional job. So I thought that was super cute. You know, it has the same, thank you for everything you do. And then, so I thought that was super cute. And these came from this pack. So it has so many. But I thought that was cute. I didn't put any sentiments, but it's the same. And this paper pad is, I'm not sure where it came from. Probably Joann's. Yeah, probably Joann's. And how cute is this gold foiled pumpkin? Just saying. Would it be nice to get one of these so you could have coffee and then a little bit of chocolate on your break? So that was a thought behind that. Let me know down below if you want a tutorial on this treat bag. Anyways, please stay tuned for the projects that we're going to be making using this spiced pumpkin collection. All right, that's Christian signing off. Have a crafty, wonderful day, guys. Take care. Bye.